All right, today we are going to remove this graphic and then remove this phone number and then put on new. Couple tricks here. I've got a piece of vinyl stuck to my finger. That way, when I'm pulling, it's just gripping that instead of my skin. So that makes it so I can do this a little longer than most people. Now a couple things, this vinyl here, it's actually Oracal High Performance or Premium, whatever you want to call it. It's been on for probably around 2 years. We did this van. So it comes off not too bad as long as you apply the proper amount of heat. If you get too much heat, really hard to get off. Not enough heat, pretty hard to get off. It'll leave a lot of adhesive. So you'll see in a little bit, I'll clean the adhesive off here and then prep it so we can put a new decal on. Alright, for the next part I will go ahead and clean with some adhesive remover. This is Autotech. This is what we use on all vehicles. the cleaning is done, I went ahead and cleaned with soapy water and alcohol after I put the adhesive remover on. Now I'm going to put some green tape because we've got a bend right here. And typically in Nebraska, as it gets hot, cold, the vinyl wants to lift up there. So I put a piece of green tape that way. I can put a little cut there, and that way it doesn't keep expanding and contracting.